I like to think of myself as a true horseman, a farrier, a veterinarian, a super dedicated horse person. As far as this property goes, we've been here for just about 25 years. I have traveled the country, been in barns from here to Saudi Arabia and Dubai and all over the world. I wanted to incorporate things that I had seen in my travels without it being over the top crazy, and it's still being very functional. I got 4 quotes. Steel structures sat right in the middle. They weren't the most expensive, but they weren't the cheapest. When I looked at quality, I thought their quality met or exceeded the most expensive. As far as overall value for the money, there was no question in my mind that they had the best offering. One thing overall, Rick didn't seem taken back by anything I asked him for. With Rick, it was, yeah, we can do that. It was things like, I don't want to put in those plexiglass light panels. I want glass. I want real glass. I remember lots of things about the process, but some things that stand out was, this is a rather large structure. And I'm not talking about the interior finish, because I had custom stall fronts made, I had custom Dutch doors, custom doorways. I did tongue and groove finish. I remember being impressed by the fact that from the day that they started this project till the day that they finished it, it was just over 5 weeks, start to finish, with excellent quality all along the way and a great crew of guys. They were real craftsmen. When building it, the thought of how it would be used was very different than the way it actually is used now, okay? We really believe in the horses being out as much as possible. So these stalls were really thought of as wintertime for our show horses or horses that had to stay under lights or blanketed, but otherwise horses would be outside. We don't use the arena as much as we thought, because we thought we would have more people riding over here. But since then, we've kind of morphed our horse operations. We decided to do some breeding. These stalls come late winter, early spring, are just lined with broodmares and babies. Having been in business for a lot of years, I take a look at things, I go, okay, what's really important in the purchase, you know? And to me, it's got to be a complete package. The delivery of the product and service was excellent. The crew they sent out was excellent. The service through the initial build was excellent. And they followed that up over the last few years, being there anytime that I needed something fixed or repaired.